8th of June is celebrated every year as World Oceans Day. This year's theme is Life and Livelihoods. What can we do to save our oceans? Here's a list of top 5 things. Global ocean ecosystem is under threat. More carbon in our atmosphere is making oceans warmer and acidic, making it hard for coral reefs to survive. Lesser the consumption of energy and fuel means lesser the emissions of carbon, which indirectly helps our oceans. Plastic at ocean contributes in destruction of sea habitat and kills thousands of marine animals every year. Use reusable bags and recycle whenever possible. Lesser the plastic, lesser is the impact on the environment. The global fish populations are being reduced every year due to increasing demands. So make a food choice which is both healthy and sustainable. Enjoying that sea view is good, but leaving back waste is not. Clean up every time you visit a beach and don't mess up with the rocks and corals there. Certain products contribute in harming of coral reefs and marine populations. Avoid purchasing them and help save marine life.